Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can access OneDrive on your Android smartphone. To do so, all you have to do is go into Google Chrome browser or Google Play Store and then search for OneDrive. From there, simply download OneDrive on your Android smartphone. After you have downloaded it, you can see that if you open it up, you'll be on this kind of screen. But if you have an account, you can just simply click on sign in and you'll be able to sign in into your OneDrive. But if you don't have an account and you need to create one, simply click on no account, create one option just below signing in, and it will help you create an account on OneDrive. But right now I'm going to skip to my photos. This is OneDrive, a place where you can store all of your data, your files, your photos freely into the cloud. Even after creating your OneDrive account, 5 GB of free storage will be gifted to you by OneDrive, and if you want to upgrade it, you can do so as well. Right now, as I am not connected to any of account, I may not be getting the full advantage and full services of OneDrive, so I advise you to log into your account. If not, just sign in. And this is OneDrive, where you are able to store photos and videos, files, etc. And that is how you can access it on your mobile phone as well. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.